What are eating windows? An eating window refers to the amount of time in a day that you spend eating versus the amount of time you spend fasting. In intermittent fasting, it's more important when you eat rather than what you eat. Some examples of fasting times are 16:8, 18:6, and 24. When fasting, water, tea, and black coffee won't count against you and break your fast. It's important to ease your way into fasting. Starting with a 16-hour fast can be daunting and hard on the body. It's easier to start with a 10-hour fast and work your way up to 16 hours over the course of a week. What is OMAD? OMAD stands for 1 meal a day. 10% of the women interviewed for the Waste Away book ate only 1 meal a day. OMAD is great because it can save you money, improve digestion, and increase energy. But most of all, it can help you lose weight. For more information, go to chantelrayway.com where you can get free fasting materials, listen to the podcast, or purchase the book.